Welcome once again, Kasrambao, sa car review natin. Thank you nga pala sa Toyota Mobolo, Cebu City for letting us review their cars. For any inquiries, you can call or text Golda Mariagas on their mobile phone. This is a 2025 Toyota Vios 1.5 GRS CVT. 1.094 million to Cebu City price ha. Airbags is driver, front passenger, curtain, and knee. Brakes is electronic brake distribution and anti-lock brake system or ABS. Features: immobilizer, security alarm, electronic door locks, speed sensing door locks, stability control, hill start assist, and ISOFIX. Dito sa harap, dalawang grille, taas at baba. Gloss black, chrome accent, dugtong sa headlights. Laminated, Toyota logo. Eto, walang butas. Dito lang. At dito. Metallic, gloss black. Window type dito. Gloss black. Dito sa baba, honeycomb. Two front sensors. Then front side lip na may black accent. Headlights is 3-tier LED with DRLs LED rin. Sa baba, fog lamps LED, then gloss black accent ang fake vents. Dito sa gilid, wheels is gloss black, tires is 195/50 R16 Bridgestone. Gloss black side mirrors with repeaters, auto adjust and auto fold. Keyless smart entry, gloss black doorknob. Matte window trim, side skirt, may black accent, then 10-speed decals. Suspension are sports tuned. Front is McPherson strut with stabilizer, and rear is torsion beam with stabilizer. Front brake is ventilated disc, and rear is also disc. Dito sa likod, shark fin antenna sa taas. Nasa loob ang third brake light, LED. Gloss black, ducktail spoiler. May design dito. Chrome Toyota logo. Backup camera. Chrome Vios and GR badging. Gloss black. Line accent dito. Maganda. Two back parking sensors. Accent dito, lumalabas talaga. Then gloss black accent sa back bumper diffuser design. Taillights LED with line guide. Sa baba is reflector, then may ilaw. Buksan natin yung trunk. Light sa trunk. Space niya. Sa ilalim, full spare tire. Tools and jack, buksan mo ang mga gilid. Door panels is dark gray with piano black accent, chrome doorknob. Plastic. Chrome doorknob. Piano black. Power window button. Leather. Red stitching. Malagyan. Bottle holder. Speaker. Sa likod ng door panels is same dark gray with piano black accent, chrome doorknob. Plastic. Chrome doorknob. Piano black. Power window button. Leather. Red stitching. Malagyan. Bottle holder. Speaker. Shelves sa likod. Full leather dito upuan sa likod. Di katulad sa harap na may suede. Pockets dito sa likod ng mga upuan. Dito wala. Driver side na upuan is same dark gray with piano black accent, chrome doorknob. Plastic, chrome doorknob, piano black, auto adjust, auto fold, windows lock, lock and unlock, power window buttons, leather, red stitching, plastic, malagyan, bottle holder, speaker. Steering wheel is tilt only. Plastic dito. Visor design sa dash. Shiny gray. Chrome tip. Plastic. Sensors off. Stability off. Eco mode. Sports mode. Hood lever. Trunk lever. Gas tank lever. Upuan is leather sa side. Red stitching. Suede sa gitna. Red stitching accent. Leather. Suede. Suede. Sueden. Bucket. Leather din sa headrest. GR embroidered. 6-way manual adjust. View sa likod. 3-spoke steering wheel leather wrap with red stitching and audio controls. Dito is trip and different menus. Dito naman is infotainment, cellphone buttons, and modes. Paddle shifters. Dash is analog RPM and speedometer. Meters is Optitron with 4.2 full color display. Infotainment is 6.75 inches display audio with smart device link via 6 speakers with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, USB, and auxiliary ready. Automatic climate control aircon. Dome lights na papindot-pindot. Mic. Sun visor vanity mirror sa driver side. Sun visor vanity mirror sa passenger side. Push start stop ignition switch. Light. 2 cup holders. Push start stop. Auto tranny. Gated. May plus and minus na drive. Piano black. Chrome. Manual handbrake. 12-volt socket. Leather armrest. Red stitching. May spring. Passenger na upuan is same. Leather and suede. 4-way manual adjust. Plastic. SRS airbag. Gray shiny. Chrome tip. Glove box. Then stitching design. Ang engine niya is a 1.5 4-cylinder inline 16-valve dual overhead cam with dual VVTi gasoline engine. Max output is 107 PS. Max torque is 140 Nm of torque. Transmission is 10-speed CVT and fuel tank capacity is 42 liters. So that's it mga kasarmaw. Thank you sa panonood. And don't forget to like and subscribe in my YouTube channel. Super Design Vlogger. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam and peace. Thank you!